That's a great view. This is awesome.
Today my friends and I will be hiking Giant Mountain, an imposing high peak that lies on the eastern edge of the Adirondack Park. These are my hikemates, my friends. They're hiking for loved ones battling cystic fibrosis. For many it's their children, for others it's siblings or friends. This terrible disease makes their mornings much harder, each of their days much more dangerous than anything we'll face today. That's why we hike on days like this, to raise awareness and money for life-saving research. Let's do this.
But look ahead. Switch that angle. Really?
While we didn't have views from the summit, the time spent with good people fighting for a great cause made this a day I'll never forget. Thank you for your support.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Merci beaucoup.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Dankjewel. Thank you.
Thank you.
Çok teşekkür ederim.
Thank you.
Yeah, you got it, Butch. Meow meow.
That's the cat's meow.
That's the cat's meow. Is that where we're going down over there?
Well, just in general, we have to go down.
I think we're going that way.
Oh, yeah, okay.
But I'll take a picture of it.